Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter probability and statistics. And the lessons we're going to cover today are find the probability, mean, median, mode, and range, combination, interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, let's just start with the lesson that is find the probability. You flip a coin. What is the probability it will land on heads? So, which is the correct option? When you flip a coin, you have total two outcomes. They are head or right, and one of the outcome is the required, so the probability is 1 by 2. Let's just start with the test questions. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 1? So which is the correct option? When you roll a six-sided die, you have total 6 outcomes. They are 1, 2, and the probability of rolling the 1 is 1 out of 6. The total outcomes are 6. The 1 is the required outcome, that is 1 out of 6. So the correct option is option number 2, that is 1 by 6. If you flip a coin, what is the probability that it will land on heads? So which is the correct option? For the die you have, for the coin you have only two possibilities, head or tail, right? So for the head that is 1 by 2. The correct option is 1 by 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 5? On the die you have 6 outcomes, right? And you have only one 5, so that is 1 out of 6. The correct option is 1 out of 6. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the possibility of rolling a 3? So which is the correct option? That is 1 out of 6 again, right? If you roll a six-sided die, what is the possibility of rolling a 6? That is again 1 by 6, right? Whatever number you roll on a six-sided die, the probability for every number is 1 out of 6, right? Okay, if you flip a coin, what is the probability that it will land on tail, which is the correct option? So the rolling, so the probability of tail is 1 over 2. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 2, which is the correct option? The rolling probability of rolling a 2 is 1 by 6, right? So whatever number you are going to roll on the die, the probability is 1 by 6 for every number that is 1 by 6, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is mean, median, mod, and range. Let's just start with the lesson. What is the range? So, range is the difference between the greatest value and the smallest value in the given data, right? So, the greatest number given here is 2, and the smallest number here in the data is 0. So, 2 minus 0 is 2, right? So, the correct option is 2. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is the range? Range is the difference between the greatest value and the smallest value in the given data. So the greatest value is 2, the smallest value is 0. So 2 minus 2, 0 is 2. The correct option is 2. What is the median? Median is the middle number. Arrange them from least to greatest. arrange them from least to greatest, right? And then divided it into two equal groups. You can see both the sides have three numbers. You are left with only one number that is between, that is 3. So 3 is the median. Yes, the median is 3. Median is exactly the middle number. The correct option is 3. Can you guys please stop chatting? I'm going to block you all. What is the mean? For the mean, you need to add them all. They are 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 and divide by the number of values in the given data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You had given 7, right? So that is 15 and 20, 35 and 14, 49. And 49 over 7 is 7. So the correct option is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the median, which is the correct option? Median is the number that divides the data into two equal groups. So that would be 6, I think. Option number, because 4 is not in the given data. So the correct option is 6. What is the mod, which is the correct option? Mod is the number that appears most of the time in the given data. So that is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the mean, which is the correct option? For mean, add them all, divide by the number of values. That is, the mean value is 34 and 123. That is 4. The correct option is 4. What is the range? Range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest value in the given data. So, what is the range? The range is 8 minus 3. 5 it is. The correct option is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. 5. The correct option is 5. What is the mod? Mod is the number that appears most of the time in the given data. So, which number it is? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So, mod is 6, right? 6 is the number that appears most of the time in the given data. So, the mod value is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the mean? Which is the correct option? You need to add these numbers and then divide by the 5, right? So, the mean is 4. This sums to 20, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. The correct option is 4. What is the median? Which is the correct option? But they do not sums to 20. Median you need to find, right? Median is the middle number that divides the data into two equal groups. That is 6. You need to arrange them from least to greatest. So that is 6. 6 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We still have 20 minutes. Let's just move on to next lesson. Combinations. The next lesson is combinations. Abby is going out for a pasta dinner. She can choose. Abby is going to. Abby is going out for the pasta dinner. She can choose fettuccine or macaroni pasta, and she can have tomato or meat sauce. How many different combinations can Abby have for dinner? Okay, so two options for the pasta, two options for the tomato and meat sauce. You need to multiply all the choices to find the number of possible combinations. So you have to do 2 times for 2, that is 4 combinations you have. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You need to multiply all the choices to make find the combinations. Edward is ordering a salad for lunch. He can choose one of the beans or turkey to have on the salad. He can also pick one vegetable topping. The vegetable choices are sprouts and peppers. The dressing choices are blue cheese or honey mustard. How many different combinations can Edward create? So, which is the correct option? You have two choices for the salad, then two choices for the toppings, and then two choices for the cheese. So, you need to do 2 times 2 times 2. So, which is the correct option? That is 8. The correct option is 8 combinations. Given wants to buy a new pair of skates, she can buy speed skates or roller skates. A pair of skates can come in gold or blue. How many different combinations can one choose from? So, which is the correct option? So, the correct option is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. That means total 4 combinations. Kimberly is picking her activities for this year. She wants to play one sport and join one club. The sports she can play are field hockey, lacrosse, and golf. The clubs she is considering are the drama club, the journalism club, and the art club. How many different combinations of activities can Kimberly pick? So, which is the correct option? Yes, 9 it is. The correct option is 9 combinations. Angie is picking out her clothes for school. She can wear a t-shirt, sweater, or sweatshirt as a top. For pants, she has shorts, corduroys, and jeans. She can wear tennis shoes on and high top sneakers. Assuming all the clothes go together, how many different combinations can Angie pick? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. 18 inch it is. Pablo is ordering breakfast in a restaurant. He can have fried, poached, or over easy egg. On the side, he can choose to have toast, bagel, or muffin. He can also gets to choose from one type of fruit. The fruits available are strawberries, blackberries, and melon. How many different combinations can Pablo order for the breakfast? So, which is the correct option? 27 it is. The correct option is 27. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is im- interpret charts, find mean, median, mode, and range. Let's just start with the test questions. Christoph's class recorded how many states each student has visited. What is the mean of the numbers? So basically, these are the tally marks, right? How do you count? It is like this: one, one, two, three, four, and five is like this. This complete sign makes five, right? So let's just count how many number of states they visited. That is five and one, six, two, seven, 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 5 and 8. You need to find the mean, right? Just add them and divide them by the number of values. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just add and divide 7, right? 8, 29, 30, 34, and 8, 42. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The correct option is 6. The mean of the number is 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. The second option is the correct option. The employees at the department store counted the number of ties on each tie rack. What is the number mean of the numbers? You need to calculate the mean. So you need to join stem and leaf, right? One is stem, two is leaf. They make 12. One is stem, two is leaf. That makes again 12. Then 13, then 15, 16, 18, 18, and 19. You need to calculate the mean, add them all, and divide by the number of values: 2, 0, 20, 24, 25, 26, 26, and then you have 36. So just add them all and divide by the they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Say you need to divide it by the 14, right? You need basically stem and leaf together makes a number, right? The stem is 1, so 1 and 2 makes 12. Then you have 1 and because there are so many numbers, and then 1 and 3 makes number, then one stem is 1 for they all, so they all make number with 1. 1 and 2 12, then 1 and 2 12, then 1 and 3 13, then 1 5 15, then 1 6 16, then 18 18 and 19. You need to now add them all and divide by their 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. You need to divide them by 14. I think 12 it is. I'm just guessing the answer, not solving. Okay, 20 it is. A concession stand worker at the movie theater looked up how many bags of popcorns were sold in the past 5 days. What is the mean of the numbers? You need to calculate the mean. You need to read the graph. How do we read the values? Just match this to the x-axis. So this goes with 30. So here is 30. This is 90. Match it to the x-axis. This is 40. 70 and 70, add and divide by the 5 because they are 5 9 12 13 14 15 16 16 and 14 is 30. That is 300 divided by 5, so the correct option is 60. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 60. Option number 1 is the correct option. Halley's classmates recorded how many books they read last year. What is the mod of the numbers? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time. So which number it is? The mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So mod is 93. You can see the 93 is the number that appears 4 of the time in the given data. So mod is 93. The correct option is 93. The local high school find out how many members can each club had. What is the range of the data? So the range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest value. So smallest value is the 20 and the greatest value is 80. So 80 minus 20 is that is 60. The correct option is 60. The range is 60. Yes, that's all about logic. If you think logically, you can do everything. Some students compared how many clubs they do belong to. What is the range of the numbers? The range is the difference between the greatest and smallest number. So 10 minus 3 is 7. The correct option is 7. A shipping company keeps track of the numbers of boxes in each shipment they sent out. What is the range of the numbers? Range is the difference between the greatest and smallest value, right? The greatest number you can make from here is 43 and the smallest number is 11. 3 minus 1 is 2. 32 is the range. The correct option is 32. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is probability and statistics, and the lessons we have covered today are find the probability, mean, median, mode, and range, combinations, and interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. They are available during the shift timing, that is from Monday to Friday and 5 to 9. So that's all for today. If you still need help with any of the lesson, you can simply write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please write down in the chat box. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next